Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. We make traditional Turkish pulp with grape molasses. First, add 2 cups of molasses to the pot. Cup size I use 200 milliliters. Add 4 glasses of water. Where are you watching me from? Please leave a comment. You can subscribe for free to support. I took another bowl and added a glass of water. Add a glass of milk. There is 2 fingers of flour missing from a glass of water. Add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to the glass. We add this on it. The starch is used to dry the product quickly, and the milk is used to make it soft. Mix it well. We combine the 2 mixtures. Take it to the stove and cook it. Yes, we mix it. You will see that it starts to thicken. When the consistency is like this, turn off the stove. We pour it nicely on a greaseproof paper. 3 ladles will be enough to adjust the thickness. Straighten and spread with a tool. Not too thick or thin. You must try this recipe. It's delicious. Let's move on to the next tray. This time we are making it with ground walnut kernel. Add walnuts to the mix. Mix and pour into tray. Now we are preparing it with sesame. I added 1½ tablespoons of raw sesame seeds to the mixture. To make it easy for anyone doing it for the first time, apply a little oil with a brush to the paper. It will come out easier than paper. You can also do it with a spoon. It will be easier that way. I prepare the remaining mixture simply. I prepared them all and we are drying on the balcony. I will dry it like this until evening, then we will take it out of the tray. My pulp dried in 3 days in total because it was very hot weather. I started out like this. It came out very nice and easy from this non-oily paper. Touch the product with your hand. If it doesn't stick, it means it's done. You can also cut it this way. In this way, you can consume it for a long time in the refrigerator storage box. I am preparing it for you to eat with you while drinking coffee. We prepare it with peanut butter. Add walnuts. Yes, it looks very nice and very tasty. I cut them to eat. This will be very nice too. We put honey on it. Add walnuts. You can cut it to any size you want. Yes, all ready now. It's all very nice. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video.